When the Weather Channel says that an area is going to get a couple inches of rain, it can be difficult to get an idea about how much water that really is. When you have a square mile of land, that 2 inches of rain is equivalent to nearly 300 million pounds of water that needs to go somewhere. Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at the world's finest drainage equipment, ensuring our homes stay dry every time it rains. Authorities and agricultural clients face significant problems with poorly maintained ditch systems and inadequate or damaged culverts on vast acreages. It requires specialized knowledge and equipment to keep drainage water flowing for a long time. William Morfoot Limited, a company based in the United Kingdom that provides land drainage, groundworks, and lake construction services, has developed a ditch maintenance program. It focuses on delivering rapid results and long-term prosperity for the land. The company owns a variety of equipment for ditch maintenance and excavation, culvert construction, headwalls and bank protection, wetland creation, ditch infilling, and earthworks, among other services. In this clip, William Morfoot is laying a drainage system. It will drain enough water to fill an Olympic-sized swimming pool in just 5 days. First, they conduct comprehensive site surveys to collect topographical data. Then, they provide specialized apparatus and seasoned personnel to execute the projects. Their work contributes to improvement in soil structures and expands producers' profit margins by increasing yields and decreasing expenses. The drainage systems typically pay for themselves within 5 to 7 years. Next, we have the Whiz Wheel 75. It is a rock wheel system designed to dig trenches for cables, pipes, and drainage. It can dig trenches up to 39.4 inches deep and 11.8 inches wide, and is compatible with 90 to 140 horsepower tractors. The rock wheel features 36 blades, allowing it to cut through the hardest of soils. The rock wheel can rotate at speeds between 0 and 200 RPM. Moreover, the machine has a conveyor belt that transfers the excavated debris to the side or onto a trailer. Up next is the Rotary Ditcher 590 from Fisor MPL. This dependable and efficient equipment can dig and maintain drainage and irrigation canals. It features a 23.6-inch working width and a 19.7-inch working depth. This ditcher can be connected to a tractor with at least 100 horsepower and a 3-point hitch. It includes a 16-bladed rotor that can cut through various soil types and vegetation. The rotor has a diameter of 59 inches and a rotation speed of 540 RPM. The ditcher also features an adjustable deflector to direct the excavated material to the side or to the back. It is a cost-effective and practical option for digging operations. Next, we have the Hemos Bagger Pump BP250RR. It is a powerful and versatile dredge pump capable of handling a wide range of materials. It can pump to a height of 164 feet with a flow rate of 1,320 gallons per minute. The pump can be towed behind a pontoon, truck, or crawler machine, and it features a hydraulic cutter head for breaking up hard or compacted soils. The cutter head has a 31.5-inch diameter and a rotating speed of 0 to 40 RPM. The pump also has a jet water system that can loosen the material and create a slurry. The pressure of the jet water system is 145 psi, and the flow rate is 132 gallons per minute. In short, it is an excellent solution for dredging jobs requiring outstanding performance and versatility. Up next, we have the Hemos Slutreiniger. It is a reliable and efficient machine for clearing channels and canals of sediment, vegetation, and detritus. It is powered by a 40 horsepower engine and a hydraulic system that operates the suction pump and discharge hose. The suction capacity of this machine is 264 gallons per minute, and the discharge distance is up to 164 feet. It can work at depths of up to 6.5 feet and handle solids with a diameter of up to 2 inches. The equipment is self-propelled and can travel along the ditch bank or on the road. The machine additionally offers a remote control option that enables the operator to operate it from a safe distance of up to 328 feet. Next, we have the Berkey Slope Mower 2200. It is a versatile and powerful mower capable of mowing slopes as steep as 45 degrees. It includes a 22 horsepower engine and a hydraulic gearbox, enabling it to change speed and direction. The mower has a 63-inch cutting width and a cutting height of 2 to 6 inches. It can easily handle grass, weeds, bushes, and small trees. The mower boasts a low center of gravity and a four-wheel drive system for grip and stability on uneven terrain. Moreover, the mower can be operated remotely from a distance of up to 1,000 feet, providing the user with much-needed safety. And finally, we have the Berkey 5200 Belt Rake. When it comes to removing trimmings from ditches, the Berkey 5200 is both powerful and versatile. It is a belt rake system. Any tractor can run this device, and detaching it is simple and easy. The low-wear rake set with V-belts on the belt rakes allows for a clearing width of either 6.6 or 7.9 feet, depending on the model. The max flow rate for the hydraulic system is 11 gallons per minute at 2,600 psi. The belt rakes weigh 790 pounds and can be operated at 3.1 miles an hour. The belt rake has 3 wheels of varying heights and a swath plate. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you check out one of these two for more cool machinery. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.